The first step to success is good ideas. You must be a collector of good ideas.
How can a man achieve success? A good idea? An opportunity? Do you need to invest money? Is success about mindset? How can you change your mindset? How can you change your fear of failure? It's simple? Is it hard to be successful? Does it take time to be successful? How can we get that mentality of the successful man? Well, how can you change all this?
Very simple. If you will change, everything will change for you. You don't have to change what's outside. All you've got to change is what's inside. To have more, you simply have to become more. Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. Don't wish for less problems. Wish for more skills.
If a good idea comes, jot it down. 1, so you can review it. 2, so that you capture it. It won't be lost. This is so valuable. A collection of good ideas, first step to success. Here's the next step, a good plan. You got to have a good plan. You got to have a good health plan.
Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. If you work hard on your job, you'll make a living. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. Work hard on yourself and develop the skills. Work hard on yourself and develop the graces. If you just go to work on the right thing, not get things out there to change. Don't try to change the seed. Don't change the soil. Don't change the sunshine. Don't change the rain. Don't change the mix of seasons. Let the miracle of everything that's available work for you, and start working on the inside. Work on your philosophy. Work on your attitude. Work on your personality. Work on your language. Work on the gift of communication. Work on all of your abilities. And if you'll start making those personal changes, I'm telling you, everything will change.
Learning to handle the passing of time. That's one of the big challenges in everybody's life. Do your research on good ideas. Be a collector of good ideas.
Problem is lack of an idea on how to create money and wealth. It isn't lack of money, it's lack of ideas. So if you get the ideas, so you can change anything. Now, to get ideas, you need a constant study of finding out.
Success is not something you pursue, chase, run after. Success is something you develop, something you become. You attract success.
Find out how things work. If you wish to be successful, study success. If you wish to be happy, study happiness. If you wish to be wealthy, study wealth. Don't leave it to chance. Make it a study. Some people just go through the day with their fingers crossed. See, that won't do it. You've got to study the things that can change your economic, social, spiritual, personal life.
Next step to success, good plans. A good plan for the day, a good plan for the future, a good health plan, a good plan for your marriage. Building anything's like building a house. You need to have a plan. Don't start your day until you have it finished. Don't begin your activities of the day until you know exactly what you plan to accomplish. Don't start your day until you have it planned. And do this every day. I know all this writing takes time and a disciplined effort. Don't begin your activities of the week until you know exactly what you plan to accomplish. Don't start your week until you have it planned. Just imagine what life would be like if you took time out of every Sunday to plan your week. Learning to handle the passing of time. Patience to let the seasons work their work. It takes time to build a career. It takes time to make changes. Give your project time. Give your people time. If you're working with people, give them time to learn, grow, change, develop, produce. Here's the big one. Give yourself time. It takes time to master something new. It takes time to make altered changes and a refinement in philosophy as well as in activity. Give yourself time to learn, time to get it, time to start some momentum, time to finally achieve. It's easy to be impatient with yourself, right? Give yourself time. You can become a better pro. You can better master the art of parenting. You can better master the art of managing time, conserving resources, working together as a partner. Give yourself time.
Success depends on a good plan and time. Give yourself time for success.